Okay, so we need to represent here the Six Nations winners from 2000 to 2014. All right, so you've got to think that how many winners there've been. All right, and be careful when you're working this out, okay? Because you might look at that there from 2000 to 2014 and think there's 14 winners, but actually it's 15. Okay, and you can easily check because if you count each of these here, okay, there are 15 winners. All right, so it is 15 because it starts on 0, doesn't it? Okay, and it ends on 14 because it starts on 0, you end up with 15. So we need to represent all these countries, these nations on here, okay? And because we sort of divide in this circle, okay, and remember the circle, okay, we've got angles here about the point. We know the circle all the way around adds up to 360. We want to share the circle by these winners, okay, and there's been 15 winners. So if I work that out, okay, 360 degrees divided by 15, we get 24 degrees. Okay, so each nation, if you like, right, or each winner, that would be better. Each winner, okay, is given 24 degrees of the pie chart. Okay, so then you just got to look at all the countries. All right, so we'll start off with Wales, shall we? Makes sense. So with Wales, let's see how many times they've won it to see what part of the circle they get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, said doesn't it? So they won it 4 times. So 4 lots of 24 degrees, okay? Because they've won it 4 times, so each winner gets 24. So 4 lots of 24, that totals to 96 degrees, okay? So if I do the same then to, should we do Ireland next? Okay, so Ireland won it once, twice, that's it, isn't it? So they just won it twice there. So 2 lots of 24 degrees, which comes to 48 degrees. So we go for France. Okay, so France have won it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Oh, they won it 5 times. All right, okay. So 5 times 24 is 120. And then, okay, we'll finish off with England then. We're going to include them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, is it? So they won it 4 times as well, I think. Just double check that. Yeah, 4 times. So 4 times 24 is 96. What I would do there, because it's not so, could have easily made a mistake, just check here, this does add up to 15. So 4 add 2 is 6. Add 5 is 11. Add 4 is 15. Great. And the other way then is checking this does add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so we're going to represent all of these on here. So we'll start off with drawing our vertical line. Okay, so we'll have then 96 degrees for Wales. So get the origin on the centre, 0 baseline lined up, and 96. Well, 0 starts here all the way to 96 then, so we got 6 little marks after the 90. We'll mark that off and then we'll join that up with the centre then, okay? So we've got Wales there. Ireland then is 48 degrees, so let's turn it around. 48. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 48 here, we'll mark it. Okay. Don't forget to label them, so important to label. And we've got France then, 120 degrees. Again, I find it much easier to turn it around. So measure then from the 0 here all the way around, big angle, 120. So mark it. So we've got there France. And then the last one's been done for us, isn't it? So we don't have to bother with the last one. Okay, good. And you can see actually they do look the same in size, don't they? So you could measure it to check, but they do look the same in size, which you'd expect because they've won it the same amount of times. All right.